Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco seasoning. Making your own taco seasoning is incredibly easy and allows you to control the ingredients, avoiding unwanted additives. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your spices to mixing them perfectly. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create a flavorful blend that's far superior to store-bought packets. Get ready to elevate your taco nights with this simple, homemade recipe. To begin, you'll need a few common spices. Start with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, which forms the base of our flavor. Next, add 1 tablespoon each of ground cumin and paprika for warmth and color. Don't forget 1 teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder to round out the savory notes. A half teaspoon of dried oregano is also a great addition. These core ingredients create that classic taco taste. Once you have all your spices measured, it's time to combine them. Pour everything into a small bowl. Use a whisk or a fork to thoroughly mix the ingredients, breaking up any clumps and ensuring an even blend. This step is crucial for consistent flavor in every bite. Transfer your homemade seasoning to an airtight jar or container. It will stay fresh and potent for up to 6 months in your pantry. Using your new seasoning is simple. For every 1 pound of ground meat, use about 2 tablespoons of your homemade blend. Cook your meat, drain any excess fat, then stir in the seasoning. For a richer sauce, add about 1/4 cup of water and simmer until thickened. This seasoning also works wonderfully on roasted vegetables or in chili. Be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.